It's our last free day in Busan.
And it's cold. It's 44 degrees Fahrenheit. Very cold.
Did we catch the cherry blossoms?
They're amazing. We saw so many cherry blossoms. Very beautiful. They only last for a couple of weeks. So it was cool to be able to be here and have you be able to see them. Hey!
Hello.
Hey, where are we?
We're in Korea.
Where?
South Korea, like South Korea, which is Busan.
And it's the first weekend of what?
Cherry blossoms!
Cherry blossom season. Yes.
It's still like about 80%, so it's not full bloom yet, but I'm so happy we caught some because last time I came was like it was the end part or the early part, so look at this.
This is amazing. It's been really, really beautiful. Right now we're walking all the way down the river and there's on both sides, it's cherry blossoms just filling both sides and it's beautiful, really beautiful.
It's very, very cold.
It is cold. It's cold today. What do you call it? 4 degrees?
4 degrees.
Yeah, so a little chilly, but we're bundled up and honestly when you get into the sun, it's not too bad.
What do you call it?
Apricity.
Apricity.
Do you know what that word means? Apricity means the warmth of the sun and when you feel the warmth of the sun when it's a cold day, like a winter day.
It's my new word for the year.
Yeah, the word for the year, apricity.
So we've been just exploring spots. Almost most spots so far.
How many photos are we taking today?
I would say only 5.
1,000. I would say maybe. We've taken a lot of photos.
Yeah, and then probably 300 is not usable because it's like I'm not ready.
That's true. That's true. We got some good bloopers.
But it's been a nice, peaceful day, and oh my God, the sun came out. Yesterday was cold though.
Yeah.
It was cloudy.
Blue skies today. It's been really nice. Beautiful, beautiful day.
It's funny though, right? Like a lot of people say, "Oh, it's spring there. It's gonna be so warm and everything," but I've been to all the cherry blossoms in Japan a couple of years and it's still cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's still cold. So
especially when you're used to Bali or Vietnam or Thailand. Yeah, it's cold. Or Australia for that matter. Yeah.
So a lot of people exercising.
There's a lot of people. Actually, there's only a handful of people over on this side of the river. The other side of the river, you'll see clips of it here. It's just packed with people. It's great to see. It's actually not too packed, but there's a lot of people, a lot of families, and it's been fun to see. We had some food.
Yes.
Yeah, we had some decent.
I mean, that's why the other side's all packed because it's all restaurants and cafes. So when you cook your barbecue or even have dessert and coffee, you have the view of just cherry blossoms.
Yep.
And it's like one of the spots I recommend coming.
Yeah, it was really nice. I'm glad we came. It was a little trek to get over here from the other side, but it was worth it.
Well, it's our last day in Busan and we're back to Seoul. We were gonna give you guys a video of Korean snacks, but from GS25 and 7-Eleven, or they don't have Family Mart. Nice to see you. That's the one.
Nice to see you. Yeah.
But it's not our type of snacks.
It's kind of underwhelming and
after coming from Japan.
Especially after coming from Japan. So we skipped the snacks, and we'll do that when we get back to Japan.
Yeah, because we're gonna eat a lot of snacks.
Yeah.
Ice cream sandwiches.
So good, so good.
Even if it's cold, we do get ice cream sandwiches.
Yeah, so yummy.
Now it's time to enjoy cherry blossoms.
Yay!
Yay!
You excited?
Yeah, it's everywhere, the whole river, like, it just keeps on going.
It's an amazing view. It's amazing.
And if there's like people taking photos, just go another tree. It's so many.
So many. All right, let's go.
Look at that. That's stunning.
Lots of cotton candy around. All the kids eating cotton candy. It's so cute.
The cafes, you can just sit here and you have a view of all the cherry blossoms.
Walk ahead. It's so cold. So cold. And more walking. It's 44 degrees in Fahrenheit. That's 4 degrees Celsius. Very cold.
Did we catch the cherry blossoms?
They're amazing. We saw so many cherry blossoms, very beautiful. So it was cool to be able to be here and have you be able to see them. And
Yeah.
my first time in Korea, I like Busan better than Seoul. Mm-hmm. Just better vibes. I like Japan better than Korea.
Yep, I agree.
Better vibes.
And now where are we gonna go?
We're gonna go get some pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you get the view of the cherry blossoms.
Yay!
Yay! Where are we eating?
Bubba's.
Bubba's. Okay. So in South Korea, in Busan, and it's just a sea of cherry blossoms, all white, and it's just crazy because I've been to cherry blossoms during Japan and Korea, and it's just less people here, and it's mostly white cherry blossoms. No, if it's crowded in one section, you just walk down a couple meters, and it's just a little bit empty, and it's just so pretty. Like, this is the whole river, and we've only walked half of it. If we went further down, there'll be less people, or even on the other side. So I would recommend coming to cherry blossoms to skip the crowds in Japan.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, make sure you hit like and subscribe.
Like
if you
and
want to see,
subscribe.
if you want to see more adventures, follow along and share it with your friends and family.
All right, bye.
Catch you on the flip side. My feet are
Big fat head.
You have a big fat head.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I look so fat.
No, you just have there you go.
Okay, we were gonna.
Your hair just went right in my mouth.